In this way, the iron parts are cooled. Please like this video. This is how cylinder drums are made. Wow, very useful technique. This small tractor works without a driver. The drum was crushed as soon as it was put inside it. Roads are prepared in Japan with this technique. The truck is not stuck in such a swamp. Isn't it amazing? This little machine snacks apples. Apple is cut with the help of this small cutter. Small iron rings are prepared in this way. A small kernel is being prepared with the help of this JCB. Old water bottles are washed like this. Such goods are bought on the ground floor. The tracks of such a train are prepared. With the help of this blade, the pineapple is cleaned. This small welding set also solders wires. Such masks are prepared. With the help of this tool, the plant can be planted from one place to another place. This small JCB machine is of great use. This technology is currently available only in China. Just put the wood forward and start cutting wood automatically. Easy way to use the swing. Put the thickest wood inside it, it will turn into garbage. This blade cuts stone very easily. This machine clears the underside of trees. Anything can be made by heating iron. Such power banks are prepared. This machine prepares iron big pins. Nuts are prepared with the help of this machine. This is how QR are generated. Water cyclone is being made naturally that have high pressure.